This is my temporary setup for the solar project. I have those 4 solar panel in series going to the first inverter. Solar panel spec 405 watt, 40.5 volt, 10 amp. And I made a second rack using those 2 pallets, and those 4 solar panel going to the second inverter also in series. This is how it looks for now. I also use aluminum bracket to hold it in place. The goal is to build a shed in the corner lot and put 19 solar panels on it. So far, I'm really impressed with how those solar panels are performing. Those 4 solar panels in series, the highest I got is around 1700 watt. Now let's go inside to the inverter to check how much energy is coming in. And looking at it, about 1100 watt is coming in, and the house is using around 120 watt. Now let's go to the second inverter. It's also pulling around 1100 watt, and the house is using around 8 watt. Now let's take a look at the battery voltage. The battery voltage is 53.8, and the second one is also 53.8. My goal was to test the dryer, and it is working. And let's check how much energy it's using. The first one is using around 100 watt, and the second one is using around 350 watt. This is when the element turn off, but when the element kick back on, it's pulling around 2700, and the other one is pulling closer to 3000 watt. Those inverter also can be monitored on your phone, but you are required to buy a Wi-Fi dongle. Let's go on the phone where you can check out the app and the chart. Now looking at this, the green is your load and the red is the energy coming in. It's a little backward. I wish it was the opposite. But you can see the highest peak on the green is when the dryer kick in, which is around 2700 watt. It might be a little hard to see. And the solar energy coming in is on like 1200 for that inverter. Let's go to the second inverter. I'm missing some information at the beginning of the day. Again, the green, the highest peak is around 2900, and the highest for the energy coming in from the solar panel is around 1600 watt. So far, I'm really liking the system. I will continue to build and make improvement on it, and I will try to document the process as best as I can. If you are interested in seeing what equipment that I use, I will leave link in the description below and you can check them out. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.